Minimalist tropical architecture embodies the concept of less is more, blending sleek and simple aesthetics with functional features tailored to the warm and humid climates of tropical regions. The design emphasizes sustainability, connection to nature, and practical solutions for climate-specific challenges. The facade of a minimalist tropical house serves as the first impression, blending simplicity, elegance, and functionality. It should reflect the home's connection to its natural surroundings while providing practical solutions for the tropical climate. The living room in a minimalist tropical house is the heart of the home, designed to be a spacious, inviting, and serene area that embraces both the simplicity of minimalism and the vibrancy of tropical living. The dining and kitchen areas of a minimalist tropical house should be functional, aesthetically pleasing, and integrate seamlessly into the overall design philosophy. These spaces should foster a connection with nature while offering a simple, clean layout that embraces open-plan living. Designing a minimalist tropical bedroom requires a thoughtful balance of simplicity, comfort, and natural beauty. This space should act as a serene retreat, where the elements of nature come together to promote relaxation and restful sleep, all while adhering to the clean lines and uncluttered aesthetic of minimalism. bathroom in a minimalist tropical house should combine functionality, relaxation, and an organic aesthetic. It should feel like a private spa retreat while seamlessly integrating tropical elements. Designing a minimalist tropical courtyard involves creating a tranquil outdoor space that emphasizes simplicity, natural elements, and a harmonious flow between nature and living spaces. The courtyard should be an extension of the home's interior design, offering a place to relax, entertain, or simply enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while maintaining a clean, clutter-free aesthetic. The outdoor living space of a minimalist tropical house is an essential extension of the indoor areas, providing a harmonious blend of relaxation, entertainment, and connection to nature. These spaces should capture the essence of tropical living by emphasizing open-air comfort, natural elements, and functional beauty. The interior design of a minimalist tropical house should embody a harmonious balance of simplicity, natural beauty, and functionality. The focus is on creating spaces that feel open, airy, and connected to nature, with an emphasis on natural materials, clean lines, and a soothing color palette. A minimalist tropical house strikes the perfect balance between style, functionality, and harmony with nature. The design capitalizes on natural elements, ensuring the home remains comfortable, eco-friendly, and aesthetically pleasing. Whether you envision a cozy retreat or a sprawling estate, these ideas provide a comprehensive foundation for your dream tropical home.